In this video, we will be making this 3-part camera mount and lighting system using inexpensive parts that are all available at your local home improvement store. The first thing we need to do is cut roughly 18 inches off of an 8-foot 2x3 stud. 8 feet is a little too tall, and we'll need to use that wood later. If you're making all 3 posts, do this 3 times. Next, we will get some Portland cement, play sand, a mixing bucket, and something to mix with. Add roughly 2 parts sand for every 1 part Portland cement. You can see me put in 4 cups of sand, then 2 cups of Portland cement, but in reality, I mostly eyeballed it. Mix the powders together and then add water. Stir the mixture until it is thick. Pour the cement into the bottom of a 2-gallon bucket. This will act as the mold for the base of our lighting stands. You can grease this first with mold release, cooking spray, or Vaseline if desired. Place your 2x3 into the concrete. You'll notice mine looks a little different, and you can read about why in the full write-up on Instructables. After 24 hours, we can remove our camera and lighting stand from the mold. Pushing on the sides helps to loosen things up, and with enough pushing and pulling, the stand can be removed and is ready to use. Next, we will get to work on our camera mount. We want our camera to be able to pivot in any direction, so we will make a sort of ball and socket joint. The ball portion is actually a doll's head bought from a craft store. We will mark and cut 3 lines to leave a thin segment on our 2x3. This will form 1/2 of our ball and socket joint. The other half will be made from a rectangle cut from a 1/4-inch piece of MDF that I had laying around. Holes are drilled in each piece, and then a Dremel rotary tool is used to bevel the inside edges. This will create a tighter fit around the ball. A couple more holes are drilled for bolts, then a test fit can be done by screwing the joint together. We need to cut down the size of our joint and drill a hole so that it can be screwed to a clamp. This way it can be placed anywhere on our stand. Let's get our super glue out to attach the ball to a piece of wood that was cut and drilled to mount our camera to. Holes were drilled in 2 directions to accept a 1/4-inch bolt that is the perfect size to attach to a camera. The final assembly can be clamped to our posts and is ready to shoot video or take photos. Thank you so much for watching this how-to build by FozzTech. Leave a comment below about any improvements that could be made, or share some of your favorite camera and lighting tips. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button at your soonest convenience. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get all of the free updates on all of my science, tech, and how-to videos. Keep building, and I will see you next time.